Yeah, so I always tell people that if you want to make money, consider working online. Yeah. So always I show people a proof of my dollars account, how I make money daily, and people think that it's fake. So I think last month was my birthday, April. So I created a new local account, yeah, from ADB, yeah, and and the goal was to make 10,000 Ghana cedis before 23rd April. So I created the account on the 15th April. Yeah, 15th April. I created the account on 15th April. I'll put everything on the screen. Yeah, and 15th April, I was getting money from my businesses, and I will deposit some too in the local accounts because I wanted to achieve the 10,000 Ghana cedis. So as at 23rd April, I was having 20,145 Ghana cedis in my new account. Yeah. So it means that I made double of the money I was expecting to earn in before 23rd. I made more than that money. Yeah. So this month is also May. And May for May I started from May 3rd. I deposit 2,000. May 4th, no deposit. 6th May 2,000, that's 24,000. 8th May 26,000. And Monday 27,000, and yesterday 28,000. So right now the date is even, today's is like 15th May. So today I'm doing it midnight. So right now the time is 12:55. Yeah. So I'm not just doing this thing to boost myself or something like that. I'm trying to tell you that according to me, easy way to make money is what? Making money from online, because I'll sit on my bed and be making money. And I have more than 5 accounts. I have foreign accounts, I have local accounts, and this account was created purposely to raise funds for my birthday. And the funds, I wasn't begging, I was working for the money. So, and all this thing changed when I got to know much about online businesses. So I've done a course about these things, that if you need it, you can purchase it for as cheap as 500 Ghana cedis. That's cheap 500 Ghana cedis. I'm giving you all the tips, all everything to make more than 10 Ghana cedis a month. A month, not a year, a month. So thank you for watching me. I'm out.